got a camera that I could simply do this, put it on my chest, and walk. Let's open up, get to the car. I apologize for the bumpiness in the video, but let's start the car up, hit the start button. And what I'm going to do is go into the PSI of the car and see if I remember. Over here, you can see my hand. Press the right side. Close the door first. It's important to close the door. Go to the right side. 1, 2, 3. You see the tire pressure? They got 3 dashes on each wheel. It's 331. Give it a good minute or two. The car is warming up. It's in eco mode, not EV mode with eco. And it takes a few seconds, a minute or two, and you see the tire pressure engage. For some reason, the left driver tire has got a half more pound air than the rest. If you want to reset it, then you're going to have to go into the settings to the TPSI tire pressure system. All right, the car went into EV mode. It shut down. Just let it wait, and it'll go on. It's a minute in. It may take a little longer than a minute. There you go. I got 32 on one, 31 on the next, 31 on the other two. And there you go. Now, how do you reset it? Move it over one. Scroll down. Long press on vehicle setting. tpms. Schedule maintenance. I'm not going to mess with that. Okay? Set pressure. Change wheel. Backing out. Or just go all the way up. Go to the right. I hope this video was helpful to somebody out there. And the 5th generation Toyota Rav4.